Reduce fractions. Reduce with variables. When reducing with variables, divide out the variables that are in common. And with exponents, it may be helpful to expand them. Recall that if you had x to the third power, this equaled x times x times x. Let's take a look at our examples. In example 1, we have 4x squared yz over 10xy cubed. We're going to expand out our letters, and I'm going to write our numbers. I've got 4 and 10. I'm going to write them in prime factorization. And so 4 is just 2 times 2. X squared is x times x. And then we have y and z. And then for our 10, that's 2 times 5. And then we have x, and we have y cubed, which is going to be y times y times y. Crossing off everything that's in common, I have 2's in common. I have one x in common and one y in common. Doesn't look like I have anything else. So writing down what's left, I get 2xz all over 5. And then I have 2 y's, which would be y squared, and I have it reduced. We took a look at example 2. Again, we want to write it out in prime factorization form. So 27, well, that's 3 times 3 times 3. A cubed is a times a, and a. And then b and c. And then the denominator, we have 9, which would be 3 times 3. And then a squared, which would be a times a. And b squared, which would be b times b, and then a c. Again, we're just going to cross off everything that's in common. We have 1, 3. We have another 3. We have an a in common and another a in common. And it looks like we have one b in common. Okay, now let's just write down everything that's left. We have a 3, an a, and a c up top in our numerator. And then the denominator, whoops, it looks like I forgot my c. So this is one of the things that happens. When it happens, I just cross it off. Now I'm just left with a 3a up top and a b in the denominator.